Spirit brings all things into manifestation. In other words, it's the sound of the supreme manifestation, the ultimate manifestation of everything and all there is. It is the Holy Ghost in Christian Trinity. It's also the sound of Brahma in Hinduism that creates everything, all there is. And henceforth, you will find the sound of OUM in the word Brahma or Brahman or Brahmand, which means the universe and all there is. The syllable OUM is of paramount significance in Hinduism, from which all other religions come into being. Hinduism itself not being any religion but rather a way of living in the highest realm of spirituality. OUM is the first sound that emerged from the vibrations of the cosmic energy that created the universe. OUM is the sound or frequency through which all other sounds and energy was released. Here in the next slides you will see how the nature of everything and all there is can be translated into various parts of the OUM symbol. The OUM kind of signifies the various states of the source through which we and everything, all there is, exists in the way it tends to exist. In other words, we are nothing but the source dreaming. Everything is a dream through which the source, which has forgotten itself, is trying to experience and remember itself, and henceforth is waking up through the exploration of its dream self. And that concludes our today's exploration. Our gratitude for your participation in the ascension journey of humanity. Check description to know about the channel and us. Feel free to search for any specific topic in our channel that might interest or concern you.